In this video, we're going to show how to get your CO2 monitor installed in your aquarium and how to set it up. So currently, we are building pressure and condensating. So while that's doing that thing, we'll take our CO2 monitor, which is also a ZRDR branded product, take it out of the box. So in the package, we have a CO2 solution with the markings for the amount of CO2 dissolved in your water. We have a suction cup and a glass vessel. So this bottle has all your measurements for the proper CO2. So it's pretty simple. If it's yellow, it's too much CO2. Your fish will not be happy. If you're in the green, you're good for CO2. And if you're in the blue, you don't have enough CO2. So up here on the pictogram here, it says indicator Rigant special for aquarium, not a, oh, it's Chinglish, okay. So just read the instructions, the Chinglish. So what we want to do is add 15 drops of this liquid to the vial. So prior to that, we'll take the suction cup and install that, and this will go to on your aquarium. So when you have the aquarium, before you set it into the aquarium, you're going to put 15 drops in here, and then after your 15 drops, what you're going to do is you're going to turn it like this, so all the liquid stays here, and then you install it in your aquarium, and then you can monitor your CO2 levels and adjust your bubble per minute counter on your vessel so that you have enough dissolved CO2 in your aquarium water to keep your live plants happy. So that's it with this video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.